Hello everyone, myself SAYAN, and for the DIY project lab 2, I have created this door buzzer using ultrasonic distance sensor. For this project, I just need only three equipments. This Arduino circuit, ultrasonic distance sensor, and the piezo. It's a very simple circuit. We do not need much components. The main thing is only the code which works here. So now coming to the circuit and the connection, I have connected the power line to this 5 volt input, the trigger to D2, the echo port to the D3, and ground of ultrasonic distance sensor to the ground of this Arduino circuit. Connecting the positive terminal of piezo to D10 and the negative terminal to ground. Now coming to the code, here's the code which actually works, and these are the serial monitor which I've tested before. So now starting the simulation, as you can see, imagine here a person coming to the door. Imagine here's the door. Okay, now he stands here. See, the buzzer rings. Door opens, as you can see, at distance 7.2 centimeter or 2.8 inch. The door opens. He enters the room. Door closes. Okay, and the buzzer also stops. And again, if he has to leave, he stands here. The door, sorry, uh, here. The buzzer rings. The door opens, and the same position of the gate. He crosses the line. The door closes, and the buzzer also stops. So this is just the simple circuit I've created, and that's all for my project. Thank you all.